morning, welcome back to my channel. It's Monday morning, first day of the week. All business stuff. Actually, that's a lie. Casual on the bottom. Sorry, my kettle sounds like an airplane. Kettle's taking forever. Hurry up. I have 2 meetings this morning with people I've never met before, so I always feel a little bit nervous when I'm meeting new people. First meeting of the day is straight into serious business. That's why I'm on coffee number 2 already. I actually have a meeting with a lawyer. Don't worry, I didn't get in trouble, to look at a contract for me actually. And I have another meeting after that with, I don't know if I'm allowed to say this or not. I'm going to be working with a TV network to create some videos for their social media. That's the start of my day, straight into it. I use my seed box to set up my video call, just because I prefer not to sit at my desk. I like to feel a little bit more casual, so I would rather set it up here. It's also got good light. This will work. Hello. Should have done something with my hair. Actually, maybe I'll just take it out. I am ready. Well, it's 10:30. I finished my meetings. I haven't had breakfast, so I'm just having my go-to. Just lucky that I've got my last final tomato, or actually that's not true. I do have a few tomatoes left, but this is one of the last tomatoes for the season, last fresh tomatoes. I've got lots of frozen ones stashed in the freezer, but the last fresh ones are sort of running out, so. You want your dinner? You want your dinner? Excuse me. Excuse me. That's rude. That's rude. So I think I've got a bit of a computer headache, so I need to get some fresh air. But before I do that, I wanted to show you my chit potatoes, or shit potatoes. My potatoes, these I'm ashamed to say, were just going bad in my cupboard. So I've actually got so many. So these are potatoes that actually I'm gonna blame the busy man. He bought them in those, you know, those bagged potatoes you get from the supermarket. So I'm pretty sure all of those are these. So I always find when you buy the bagged potatoes from the supermarket, rather than the individual fresh ones, I always go off in the cupboard quicker. So these are all in my cupboard and they've all started to chitting themselves. So what I'm actually gonna do is I've actually, believe it or not, I've actually never grown potatoes. I've grown sweet potatoes before. I'll actually pop the link to my how to grow sweet potatoes video. So I've just got these on a rack in a sunny sort of window. I want to get some sun to them, so they've got plenty of air ventilation. It's not a humid room. They're really close actually. Actually, there is some green on them. I'm gonna plant these up. So it's gonna be a bit of an experiment. I need to blow my headache away. I've had a headache for about the last half an hour. So I think some fresh air, I need some fresh air. Ready for the beach?
Yesterday, there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. they shimmer on our skin. Restore everything within.
My hero. Woo! Lift up! Up he goes! Woo!
Here we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes.
I'm actually gonna pick some sweet potatoes, or hopefully a decent sweet potato for dinner, because you don't really know what's lurking under there. Although you can kind of see like mounds where there might be something hiding. So I need to find like a decent sized one and some salad stuff for dinner, because I don't want to pull this whole bed out yet. The leaves are still really nice and green. Sweet potatoes haven't finished growing, so I don't want to get my spade or mattock and like dig this whole bed up. I only want like sweet potato. It'd be funny if there was none in here. It would be a disaster actually. Pig, I think I found some little ones. In the ideal world, I would want these to get bigger. I reckon we could do better than that. I think I found some smaller ones. One. Oh yes! Woo! I knew they were hiding in here. Watermelon radish. Ruined. That didn't last long. Yes. So when you, oh look at this one. Look at that. Look at that fatty. I wonder if that's like short and fat or long and fat. Oh! Stubs. Stubby. Done. Well, that's a wrap from me. Thanks for joining me. And if you're interested in how I grow my sweet potatoes, I'll actually try and link the video maybe right here somewhere if I can. If I can't figure it out, I'll pop the link below, or you can find the video on my page. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you guys next time.